Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually out testing my new camera and microphone setup. So finally got a new camera, hopefully the footage is okay, still learning how to use it. But to go with it, I also got some new microphones. And I've been wanting to get these for a while because what I want to do today is actually get like an ultimate sound clip of what my car sounds like. So I have a dual microphone setup, wireless one. So what I'm going to be doing is setting up one microphone onto the rear of the car and one in the engine bay. So if I can get my microphones out, so here's actually one of the microphones here. So it's a Saramonic Blink 500 wireless microphone. So I have two of these, and these are actually microphones up there that you can see, or you can use the lapel mic. So I have two of those, so they have little clips on the back. So I'm going to clip one of those onto the rear of the bumper, the other one onto somewhere in the engine bay, and then this is the receiver. So this one will go on top of the camera. So I'm currently using one of my other microphones to film this, but yes, I'm going to sit this on my GoPro plugged in, and then I'm going to be sitting two of these microphones onto different spots of the car. So I'm going to try and get like a all-around clip, because it's really hard to get it in the car when I just have the GoPro sort of on my head. The audio isn't the best. So yeah, what I'm going to do is get these two microphones, put the GoPro onto my head strap mount, and then get some driving clips, what it sounds like doing light pulls, maybe some the car's not fully warm, so maybe not some wide open throttle pulls straight away, but I'll get close to that. I'll get a few flybys of the car, and yeah, maybe a few revs. So I figured this would be something fun to make, and yeah, it should be like a good comparison just for you guys to be able to see what my car actually sounds like. Okay guys, currently switched back to filming on the GoPro for a minute, just because I'm trying to set up the microphones. This is the camera I'll be using to film. So I've got two of them. So these are my two new microphones. So what I'm thinking, normally when I filmed exhaust clips, I'd stick a GoPro to the back here and then, you know, just use that audio and connect it to the video I got with this camera sitting on my head. But now obviously I can do this, so I'm thinking something like that is an option. Now I'm kind of worried about that just then sliding off, so what I'll do is I'll probably run some tape around it a few times. I mean, yeah, I really don't want to lose this, but that taped on there may do the job. So that microphone here should get some pretty good clips, maybe even too close. It might be better off going the other side just so it doesn't completely just have, you know, distort and ruin the whole video by just being too loud. So yeah, put that somewhere there. And then for the one in the engine, I'm trying to work out where to put it. Now obviously I could probably clip pretty easily like that, and that would be a good option, but I kind of want to be closer to my blow-off valve and intake and everything. But then you have the problem of this car being SST is right here, it's really loud. So yeah, I was thinking like a good option would be just like that on the intake, and then same thing, put some tape around it on this little intake heat shield. But this sort of moves a bit, so I don't know if it's going to sort of pick up that sound. And then I was thinking tape it to this, clip it to this catch can line, but then hopefully it doesn't fall off. So I'm just trying to work out where to go. It's like somewhere around here would be kind of ideal, I think. Just don't know if that's going to clear when the bonnet closes. Because yeah, the microphone on it is here. I do have this FQ400 vent. It's a lot of air. I don't know if I put it here, I don't know if it's going to be getting a lot of the air coming through. So yeah, I think it's going to be a bit of a trial and error. So I'll set them up, plug in the receiver and connect them both, and then just go for a drive and see what kind of works. So yeah, it might be a few trips back and forth just trying to see what will work, but yeah, that's going to be how I'm doing it. So yeah, these are great. Just only used them a few times so far, and yeah, really happy with them. So let's do a couple of trial and errors, and yeah, see if you guys like the sound of the car. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the video there. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the way the car sounds. Obviously it's going to be different to how it sounds in cabin for me, with actually hearing it with my ears rather than microphones trying to pick up, but yeah, I think it sounds really good. Really happy with the way it sounds now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you did, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to support me and see more videos from me in the future. I'd really appreciate that. But until next time, I'll catch you guys later.